Why do people fail? People don't give their best under pressure. They give their best when they are challenged to prove themselves. Winning with people, one lesson a week, lesson 21. A factory once had a serious production problem. The workers were not meeting the targets despite warnings, pressure, and threat. Then one day, one senior leader came to the factory. He just went around the factory and he asked the employees there how many units they have produced that day. They said 6. And he asked for a chalk piece and he wrote on the floor number 6. Then the next shift, night shift employees came. They questioned, what is this number 6 written? They said the previous batch has produced 6 units. Then these people were challenged to do more than that. Then they completed 7 units and wrote 7. Then again, consequently, the next day morning shift employees, they saw the number 7 and they said, no, we will achieve above this. Then they completed 9 units and they wrote 9. So in this way, the productivity increased in each shift because of the challenge between the 2 shifts. Why? Because we human beings love one thing, the challenge to excel. Nobody works under force or fear, but when they are challenged, they want to prove their capability and do more than other people. This works even with your child. When you ask your child to study harder, when you put the pressure, they won't do it. The same thing when you challenge them, let me see whether you are able to score 100%, then they will put their 100% in that and they will do it. So if nothing works, challenge a person to make them do the work. If you want to motivate people, don't just push them. Just inspire them to raise higher. Because deep inside, everyone wants to feel capable. Lesson 21. Throw down a challenge. Try this today. Instead of forcing someone, just put a challenge on their table. They will do it. Follow this people skill series for better communication in your daily life. Next week, we will see the best way to express others' fault. This is what you are waiting for. Just stay tuned.